Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to optimize your finances using the MoneyCoach budget and spendings app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. So first you have to download the MoneyCoach budget and spendings app from the App Store. You can use it on your iPhone, iPad or on your Mac. And let's see what the app offers. It offers to build a better money habits. As you can see, the UI is very beautiful. It was the apps we love category in 2017, 18, 19 and 20 in the App Store. So that's always a great sign. As you can see, they have dark mode and light mode. Obviously, you can create widgets for your iPad or for your iPhone. As you can see here on the left side, you can follow your spendings on eating out. You can follow your if you are saving up for something. So that's a very nice feature. Import Apple Card statements with one tap. Personalized budgets that save you money. Intuitive and helpful reports. As you can see, watch your net worth grow every day. So here you can see your net worth, which is also a nice touch. And achieve your goals and dreams. So yeah, it's a very nice app with great widgets, great integration. As you can see, it works on MacBook Pro, on your Apple Watch, iPhone and iPad. So let's see what happens when you download the app. I've just downloaded it, and when you open it up, hi there, and here you receive these messages: build better habits with smart goals and flexible budgets, track your subscriptions and optimize your monthly costs, and never miss a bill with proactive reminders and reports. And from here, you just have to tap on get started and sign up with your information. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you will enjoy this app, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.